In this guide, you will learn how to send an email in Gmail on iPhone. Okay, this is a full guide, so follow me. Let me walk with you on the steps you need to take to get that achieved. All right. The first step is to install Gmail application if you don't have any on your iPhone. All right. So here I have Gmail app already existing, but if you don't have, tap on App Store, and as the App Store opens, tap the search area and then type in Gmail. All right. Once it shows up in the search result, just install it and open it. So here I'm going to open it because I've already installed it. Okay. Once the Gmail opens, you may be required to log in. So log in with your Gmail email address and the password. Here I'm logged in automatically because I saved my login details here and I have logged in on the app before. Okay, so let's start composing our email. So tap on compose. On this page, in the to section, type the email address of the person you want to send the email to. Okay, so here I want to send to customersbase2019@gmail.com. Okay, tap the subject area, then give this email a subject of your choice. Okay, here I have it as last week meeting report. All right, the next thing you need to do is to tap the compose area and then compose the email explaining to the person a summary of what is contained in the email you are sending to him. Okay, my content reads, this is a report of the meeting held last week. Everything discussed is covered with the finance. All right. So one thing that may confuse you here is this graphic design here. We call it email signature. Yes, I set up email signature in my Gmail account. But if you want to learn how to do that, I will link a video in the description. Just go and click on that and then watch how you can set it up. Okay. Anytime I'm sending email to someone using this email address, the email signature goes with it. Okay, so it's a brand. All right, so it shows that this is coming from the CEO of Godwin Tech. So it's cool. Then let me point out on some things. You can see some icons at the top. One is first one is attached, the second one is send, and more is the three dots at the top. All right. Then if you want to attach a file to back up the content you are sending to the person, you want to send to the person, tap on the attach icon. Then select what you want to attach. Do you want to attach photo or do you want to attach from maybe the Files app? All right. So it depends on you if you want to. So if you want to attach from Files app, tap on the attachments option. Okay, icon. Then this opens the Files app of your phone. So maybe this is the file I want to attach. So I will tap on it and then tap on open, and this is placed as attachment in this email. You can see that the one names back statement PDF. All right. Then another thing is the three dots. When you tap on the three dots, you see some options. Maybe you want to schedule this email, so select the schedule send and then schedule the time you want the email to be forwarded, all right, to be delivered to the recipient. Confidence mode, you want to act confidential mode, you want to activate that. If you want to discard this, maybe you don't want to send it, then tap on discard. Okay, then if you want to cancel, tap on cancel. All right, so it's have so many options, but here we don't want to schedule or do another thing. So let's tap into the editor area and then tap the send button. I can see sent. So this email has been sent to the recipient. Okay, so this is how you can just send email using your Gmail on iPhone. Simple. I believe you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we talk more on technology, which cuts across how to use software, how to use computers, iPhone, and Android. Okay, we also cover YouTube education and self-publishing. So subscribe to learn many things in the area of technology. Hit the like button, the one that points up, so that YouTube will recommend this content to more people. If we don't do that, there's no how the system will know that this content is helpful. So please Hit that, okay? What that points up. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this content. Does it really solve the problem that brought you here? Or you need something extra? Let me know in the comment section. Watch this video to learn how to create email signature on Gmail and Outlook. Thank you and see you some other time.